Do you know, and it's most important, do you use AND function in Google Sheets? Let's talk about it. Hey, my name is Gaille. I am Looker Studio expert and the founder of Gaille Reports. On my website you can find some tutorials for Google Sheets and Looker Studio. Also you can find some nice templates for marketing and Looker Studio and buy it for real little money and start to use it and explore your data. But let's come back to our Google Sheets. AND function. AND function, it is super easy. It combines two conditions and return if it is true or not true. So if we write here AND, we can see logical expression 1, logical expression 2, and whatever, it could be as many as you need. For example, we can check if it is B2 equal paid social. We can use even 1. You can see, yes, it is true. And for example, C2, it is U. And this is false because this is returning. But we can write here like word, exact word that we need, or we can write something link to a cell. For example, customer type. Sorry. We have customer types. And we have channels. Let's see which kind of channels do we have. And let's check, for example, and this purchase was from, is it paid social, and customer type is returning, and this is true. So this is channel paid social, customer type returning, and we can say even third condition, and our total revenue greater than 50,000, and everything is true. We can use other formulas here, so it could be not that simple. It could be something like bigger or less something. You can include other formulas inside of this, like divide by, multiply, whatever. And basically, AND function returns us true or false options. And to use it, actually, I never use it in just AND function. I use it together with if function, because in if function we can write something instead of true and false. And if we include this condition if, and instead of one logical expression we can have 3 logical expressions, and if it is true we can say yes, or we can say no. And in this case we can receive any result. Or you can, instead of yes and no, you can do links to other cells, or you can use other formulas. You can do some multiplication, divide, any other calculations that you need. And formula, it means all of these conditions should be true, all of them. So it should be returning customers. In our example, it should be paid social, and it's greater, like revenue greater than 50,000. If one of these conditions is not correct, we will receive no. So AND means all of them. I think that is it about AND function. It's super easy and nice to use, but it's good to understand how it works. If you have questions, please leave a comment below this video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give like to this video, and talk to you soon.